You ever try reefing on a piece of half-inch round bar in the corner of your little blue Vise and it just pops right off? And you're like, come on, I wasn't even pushing that hard. Yeah, it happens to the best of us. So you might want to go ahead and TIG braze that back together. You did buy that silicone bronze 6 years ago and you knew it'd come in handy eventually. We're going to start by chamfering the edges all around the break, or fracture. Both pieces, or all 7 pieces, however many you've got. The idea here is just to give yourself more surface area for the filler metal to fill, but you want to leave that grain structure so that the 2 pieces just fit right back together.
Wow.
And you stick a little magnet on the flat face and that'll keep it flat.
Wow.
Let's try electrode positive to start here. We'll try about 50 amps to start. Bit of 1.5% lanthanated. And the aforementioned silicone bronze. Melted tungsten, that's not good. Did I say electrode positive? No, I meant electrode negative. Yeah, let's set it up in electrode negative. Barely getting any heat here. Turn my heat up? Yeah.
That's a voltage or amperage?
Amperage.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good, that's good. That's
Okay. A little less?
a little less, yeah. Alright.
Okay.
So you try to keep your temperature nice and low so that you're not melting the base metal. You really just want to melt that rod. It's a lot like soldering or hot gluing. Of course, sometimes you are going to melt the base metal. It is what it is. I personally think it's easier to braze with a flame. But TIG's all I got. So there you go. We'll give it a little post heat here just to help it de-stress a bit. And now we gotta get that flattened out again. Starting with a flappy. That'll get the majority of the weld ground down. Pop a zippy on there to get down into that inside corner. And a flat disc to make it flat. Finish it off with a file if you want. Your screw hole is going to be a little bit deformed, so you're going to want to tap that out. Last thing to do is flatten out the jaw.